Hey guys, I just want to take a look at one of the practice targets I've been using. I've used hay bales and I got a 3D target and some different ones, but I like having a target also that's portable that I can throw in the back of the truck. Maybe take a few shots before I take off hunting or whatever I'm doing, and don't have a lot of investment in. So these right here are easy to make. It doesn't, the materials are free basically. It's things that are just get thrown away. They work good. It stops the arrows good. And the arrows pull out really good. So we'll take a little closer look and then I'll show you how I put them together. Okay guys, so let's put one of these together. Obviously, not rocket science. You're basically looking at two ingredients. You're gonna have the sacks and you're gonna have the filling material. So the sacks, this is a grass seed sack. And I'm suggesting feed sacks or grass seed sacks. You might source out someplace at a feed store. You might check with landscaper, someone in your area, but you're gonna have to source those out. Find somebody who goes through a lot of these bags. That's why I suggest landscapers. And people who maybe even have a farm. Somebody's gonna have a lot of these bags they're going through, and they just pitch them. The other material that you're gonna need is the shrink wrap material that goes around pallets that are delivered. So really, any place that gets pallet delivery, could be a warehouse. Could be, one of the bigger grocery stores to get this stuff, and they're just going to wad it up and throw it away when they're done. So they don't use it. So that's what you're looking for. And so, I'm not gonna torture you by having you watch me fill this whole bag full of plastic, which is already mostly full anyway. But so you're going to fill this bag up. It doesn't really seem to matter whether you pack it in really tight or whether you put it in a little bit loose. It still stops the arrow. So give yourself enough room so you don't have to fight it at the top. Gather it up, twist it up, and you're gonna put either a zip tie on there or you're gonna put some twine on there, just something to hold it in place. And so then you've got a nice light target. I have seen where some people use rags, fill them with rags. It does stop the arrow. It wouldn't be as light as this. And so if it's easier for you to source, I don't know, I've been using the plastic for a long time. Also, these bags, eventually they'll wear out or get a big spot in them where the plastic is starting to pop out of there. You just take one of the feed sacks and just stuff it down in there and tie it in again, and you're good to go. So, yeah, you could also, because they're so inexpensive, you could actually have several where your shooting area is maybe and set some at different distances, or if you've got enough area, you might make yourself a little walk around course, which would be kind of fun. So, yeah, that's it. Easy, cheap, free target, and enjoy. And thanks for watching.